Sister Favor is getting married. March 13. No.
Few moments later.
You are beautiful.
It's like you are not even normal.
You look hot.
I mean, leave your condition, nonsense.
School petenya. You don't know where to go.
The next day.
Pastor, good day.
Good day, my daughter.
Pastor is like my village people after me. Pastor, am I not sweet?
Yeah!
Pastor, am I not beautiful?
Yeah!
Pastor. Pastor, I have never seen a reasonable guy in my life.
My daughter, prayer cannot do where hard work is required.
Pastor, shoot me more.
We are living in a tactical world.
Pastor, tacticalize me.
We need to do things in a tactical manner.
Pastor, tacticalize me now.
Now, the way you are dressed is the way people will approach you.
Pastor, this one is sweet, oh.
Mature and reasonable men don't eat uncovered food.
Is that so?
My daughter, dress and cover yourself, and you will attract good men to yourself.
I will check it.
Good day, my daughter.
Good day, sir.
My people, dress the way you need to be addressed. The type of dressing you appear with determine the type of people you attract to yourself.
Alright guys, thank you for watching that funny video. Please dress well. Please dress well. And also I want to use this medium to say a happy married life to my big sister, my one and only. Happy married life, Auntie Favor. We love you so much. As also say, they love you. See.